Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS18 Plus, and the Qwik CLI. Once installed, authenticate immediately, run CLI login or export Cloud API KEY so you avoid later permission errors. Next, create a new project with Qwik Create and pick the storage-enabled starter. This scaffolds routes and sample storage code. While that runs, open the project folder and inspect package, JSON and Qwik. Config to confirm the storage plugin was added. These are your first actionable steps to move from setup to implementation. Once the project exists, configure storage. Use the CLI to create a bucket and set access mode, public or private, based on your app needs. Then apply CORS and fine-grained policies, for example read/write on the uploads path, so the browser can put and get safely. Install the official SDK, npmi at cloud/SDK, and wire the client and server imports. Make sure env variables for API base and keys are stored in env and not checked into Git. These steps connect runtime code to cloud storage. To finish, build and deploy. Run npm run build and then Qwik deploy or the CLI deploy command. Once deployed, verify by performing an end-to-end upload, then download and inspect metadata headers to ensure integrity. If something breaks, first confirm env vars and API keyscope, then check CORS and bucket policy rules because most failures stem from permissions. Finally, tail logs with CLI logs follow to spot errors in real time. This single troubleshooting step resolves the majority of deployment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.